Hey Toolerinos, on our way home from the Antique Engine Show in Kidron, we decided to stop in at Colonial Homestead and see what's new and exciting. And it looks like there's been quite a bit of reworking in here. There's a lot of open space. So let's see what there is to see. Interesting hammer for an interesting price. Diamond in Duluth. Blacksmithing tool. Oh, wait a second. There's another one. Farrier's tool, I think. Look at these tiny little hammers. I got one of those recently. Look at these things. Stone axe. Look at that. All steel handle. Interesting. Don't remember seeing those here before. Slate hammers. I know what those are. Oh, it's a grinding wheel with a drip oiler like on an old hit and miss engine, and it's got wooden pulleys, different sizes to drive it at different speeds. Huh. Looks like he's come across a lot more vices since the last time I was here. Lots to choose from. And the machinist boxes are over here now. There's so much to see. I'd be here all day if I wanted to show you everything. And we don't have all day. Having a really big one of these bevel gauges would be cool.
And lines, which help me do my job. If something's not plumb or straight or square, I just see it. It bugs me.
They end up actually feeding into each other.
They're the same author. No, they're different.
Yeah. Let me show you the books.
Yeah, I've done a lot of reorganizing in here. Things are kind of grouped up differently.
It's a very good book. I bought one myself, and then I came back and bought one for my son. It's a slow read, so if you like to have
Interesting.
sort of fast read and like
Get a closer look at that.
slow read and just think about things and just let it soak in, that's
Very cool. Pliers with interchangeable jaws.
What's important about talking about that? All like hand on.
Oh my. Dothan, Alabama woodworker Darren. Have a look. How many molding planes could there be? A lot. Let's see what some of the prices are like.
Buy the set of Morrison Towns and start reading about how furniture really was made.
$15, 25, 30, 10, 40. Let's look at a 10. It's got the iron.
Perfection. Shows practical in practice.
I don't see any marks on it.
What is perfection? Something's perfect if it works well for what it was designed for.
Look at the wooden versions of the Stanleys we always see. So many. And that wasn't all of them. There's another whole shelf of them up above. Craziness. Oh my. Look at these curved draw knife type tools. Well, that's a more traditional draw knives. Down here, got to look at the post drills. And in the center of the shop, they're doing woodworking on beams, probably for some sort of structure, and a shave bench, and a longer shave bench, and another shave bench, and another shave bench. I didn't even get to that side of the store yet. Hang on. What's back here now? Looks like they're doing some furniture repair back here. Maybe he does some classes, teaching. I don't know. Look at these little tiny brass shaving tools. Oh my. Never seen these massive saws here before. Racks and racks and racks of chisels and other tools. More planes. Interesting motorized saw set. Pretty cool. Bet nobody knows how to use it these days. And the hand crank metal shear. Pretty cool. And here's all the breast drills. Since we just saw Scout Crafter pick one up for $1. The prices. And there's even for $55. It's super tiny. It's like a dental breast drill. But plenty to choose from. Sorry, the lighting in here is not so good for this. Well, that's pretty cool. But I like this one better. Property of Pittsburgh Erie Saw Corp. Cannot be sold. $40. But it's something super weird. Look at this curved blade. This long handle. Any idea what this thing would be for? I mean, it's a pretty good size. Never seen anything like it. This place is full of amazing oddities. If any of you have the opportunity to come check this place out, do so and plan to spend the afternoon here. 4 for $15. Not bad. For gimlets. Some cool ones in there. Though he has another box of older ones that are $15 a piece.
So something primitive would mean we would have made this door out of a plank.
I think that concludes the update at Colonial Homestead. A lot of changes since I was here last. But now I want to put down the camera and maybe shop for 5 minutes.